if you're experiencing frame stuttering in EAFC25. There are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate the stuttering. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the settings menu in EAFC25 and decrease options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve performance. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed while gaming. Step 4. Check for overheating. Ensure your computer is not overheating, as high temperatures can cause performance issues. Clean any dust from fans and ensure proper ventilation. Consider using monitoring software to check CPU and GPU temperatures while gaming. Step 5. Enable game mode. If you're using Windows, enable game mode to optimize your system for gaming. Go to Settings, Gaming Game Mode, and toggle it on. This feature prioritizes system resources for games and can help reduce stuttering. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with the EAFC25. If issues persist, consider looking into hardware upgrades or further troubleshooting. Happy gaming!